For my love, an anniversary gift. 20 cranes for our 20th day together. Each one a symbol for the joy and love that took flight on those days. With each fold, crease, and crimp, I feel our love grow. Our love matures. Our love takes form. There. Perfect. Now we shall be off. Isn't she beautiful? Her name is Annabelle. She's as beautiful as a fire-orange sunset tucked in the hills of a Californian vineyard filled with grapes. Large, round, juicy grapes, succulent and sweet, delicious, plump, supple. Yes, very, very beautiful. The sun is a bright, burning ball of nitrogen gas. The air is laden with an abundance of pollen from a multitude of tree species, including oak, dogwood, maple, and walnut. Although my allergies are in a state of remorse, my Annabelle's shorts are just short enough to distract me from my histamine dilemma. My Annabelle and I are on our way to our special spot to free our lovebirds as a symbol of our growing affection. We're almost there. I can hear the river water. This is the spot where my Annabelle and I first met. Oh, it brings back such vivid memories of my first encounter with her, our awkward first glances, our shy and nervous small talk. But now, 20 days later, we are fully in love, and our love is still blossoming. I couldn't ask for a more perfect specimen to fall in love with. Oh, my Annabelle walks like a graceful bird upon the earth. Here it is, the place where she and I shall release our love back to nature. We arrive at our spot of past love affairs and begin our freeing experience. As we free our lovebirds and they spread their wings and take flight, our hearts begin to lift with joy as if to fill with helium, a helium of love. We enter a euphoric state of mind as if to be love-stoned with lust. Each lovebird possesses a magical aura of empowering emotions. Go free, little lovebirds. Spread your wings and take flight into the sunny spring air. Come on, let's go see them fall off the waterfall.
Okay.
Come on! Here they come! Annabelle. She has spread her wings and taken her final flight into the great beyond. Perhaps it is time for me to